HIV gradually destroys the immune system by attacking and destroying a type of white blood cell called CD4 cell. CD4 cells play a major role in protecting the body from infection. HIV uses the machinery of the CD4 cells to multiply and spread throughout the body. This process, which is carried out in 7 steps or stages, is called the HIV life cycle. HIV medicines protect the immune system by blocking HIV at different stages of the HIV life cycle. Today, I am going to briefly talk about the HIV cycle. Welcome everybody, my name is Abdul Bashawath. So what is the HIV life cycle? HIV attacks and destroys the CD4 cells of the immune system. CD4 cells are a type of white blood cells that play a major role in protecting the body from infection. HIV uses the machinery of the CD4 cells to multiply and spread throughout the body. This process, which is carried out in 7 steps or stages, is called the HIV life cycle. Excuse me. So what is the connection between the HIV life cycle and HIV medicines? Antiretroviral therapy, which is also abbreviated as ART, is the use of HIV medicines to treat HIV infection. People on ART take a combination of HIV medicines called an HIV regimen every day. HIV medicines protect the immune system by blocking HIV at different stages of the HIV life cycle. HIV medicines are grouped into different drug classes according to how they fight HIV. Each class of drugs is designed to target a specific step in the HIV life cycle. Because an HIV regimen includes HIV medicines from at least 2 different HIV drug classes, ART is very effective at preventing HIV from multiplying. Having less HIV in the body protects the immune system and prevents HIV from advancing to AIDS. ART can't cure HIV, but HIV medicines help people with HIV live longer, healthier lives. HIV medicines also reduce the risk of transmission, spreading of HIV to other people. So what are the 7 stages of the HIV life cycle? The 7 stages of the HIV life cycle are binding, fusion, reverse transcription, integration, replication, assembly, and budding. To understand each stage in the HIV life cycle, it helps to first imagine what HIV looks like. So now I'm going to just briefly go over the 7 stages. So the first stage is binding. This stage is also referred to as attachment. HIV binds and attaches itself to receptors of CD4 cell. The second stage is called fusion. The HIV envelope and CD4 cell membrane fuse or join together, which allows HIV to enter the CD4 cell. The third stage, which is called reverse transcription, so inside the CD4 cell, HIV releases and uses reverse transcriptase, which is an HIV enzyme, to convert its genetic material, HIV RNA, into HIV DNA. The conversion of HIV RNA to HIV DNA allows HIV to enter the cell nucleus and combine with the cell's genetic material, or the cell DNA. So the fourth stage is integration. Inside the CD4 cell nucleus, HIV releases integrase, and this is another HIV enzyme. HIV uses integrase to insert or to integrate its viral DNA into the DNA of the CD4 cell. Stage 5 is replication. Once integrated into the CD4 cell DNA, HIV begins to use the machinery of the CD4 cell to make long chains of HIV proteins. The protein chains are the building blocks for more HIV. Stage 6 is assembly. New HIV proteins and HIV RNA moves to the surface of the cell and assemble into immature or non-infectious HIV. And stage 7, the last stage, is called budding. So the newly formed immature or non-infectious HIV pushes itself out of the host CD4 cells. The new HIV releases protease, an HIV enzyme. Protease acts to break up the long protein chains that form the immature virus. The smaller HIV proteins combine to form mature or infectious HIV. Thanks for watching the video, and I hope you liked it, and if so, be sure to let me know by clicking the thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on the notification, as I will be adding new contents frequently. If you have any suggestions for improvement or have a drug-related question, be sure to let me know by leaving a comment below. Once again, thank you and stay healthy.